Hey everyone, Brandon Boyd here, a chairman at IM Mastery Academy. Excited to cover customer versus IBO. I get asked all the time, what should I do? Should I sign up as an IBO? Should I sign up as a customer? And of course, a builder says, I want to come in as an IBO, but you got to remember, we got to stay compliant as a company because when you have the different agencies out there, you want to make sure that you're following the rules. So here's what I tell people. It is better inside this company to actually enroll as a customer instead of an IBO. And I'm going to show you why. The key is why you would want to be a customer over an IBO. So here's a couple examples. Number one is because it saves you $15 monthly. Why? Because the IBO cost is, in fact, it's actually just under $17 with tax. So it saves you $15 by not having to pay that, okay? Number two is it can give you the 2 and free, whereas the IBO doesn't. Example, if I'm a customer and I refer 2 active paying subscribers to IM Mastery Academy, so they subscribe to the education, then that means that I can get a free membership for that month and ongoing months as long as I have those 2 active paying subscribers. IBO doesn't do that. So that's another reason why you want to be a customer. So here's kind of how it breaks down. Customer enrolls 2 customers, they save, and the reason why I put just a dollar sign is it depends on what they actually bought. So if they bought maybe the platinum package or elite or something like that, but let's just say as an example, they were on the platinum, and let's say the cost is $164.95. So they save essentially $165 on a monthly basis. Whereas when you look at an IBO, they enroll 2 customers. They can get their commission. So again, let's use the example of platinum package. So they got $35 and $35. So that's $70 in commission. So that could be a difference of, again, the money that they saved the following month. The IBO gets 0. Why? Because it's a one-time bonus. Whereas the customer can save month after month after month. All right. IBO enrolls 3 customers and they get, let's say they're now Platinum 150. That's $150 monthly, which is less than the customer saves. So let's say that the customer was on that $164.95. So that's actually $15 less. And think about it. That customer needs 1 less person and an IBO needs 3. In fact, if you think about it, to get ahead, they actually need 4. Customer only needs 2. Average person in this industry only enrolls 2. That's why you want to do the 2 and free. Guys, it literally pays to be a customer inside of this company. So here's the system that I put together to help you guys win. Number 1, become a customer first. Even if you're a builder, become a customer first. Number 2, enroll 2, get the free membership. That way that you save the money. And in fact, what I tell people is what you want to do is you actually want to enroll the 2 and free, because now that gives you money that you could actually save and use towards your trading if you wanted to, okay? Enroll a third if desired, if you're wanting to build this as a business, and you can upgrade at that point for $15 monthly plus tax to the IBO fee. And then fourth, this is going to help you maintain the 55% customer rule and save you money in the process, because out of your entire organization, you have to have 55% of those that are customers, not IBOs. That'll keep you compliant and also qualified to receive commissions as well. So guys, this is why you want to be a customer over an IBO when you get started inside this company.